this is my final project for EC387, which is Embedded Systems. And as you can see, it's just a little car, which is driven by a couple servos, which are controlled by an Arduino, the blue thing there. And the whole thing is controlled by an IR remote control, just like for your TV. And the signals from the remote are received by that, which is an IR diode. And the signals are interpreted by the Arduino, well, some software on the Arduino, and it tells the servos to move. And underneath, we have a 9-volt battery, which powers the whole thing. So, when you take your remote, press the up button, it goes forward, press mute, stops, press OK, goes backwards, press right, turns right, press left, turns left, and so yeah, just a simple little toy that I have a lot of fun playing with.